So what makes a SCADA system modern, right? I'm going to start off by saying what it's not before I say what it is. And a modern SCADA system is not a full rip and replace just to get something new. It is not a new front on the AI arms race just to have AI. And it's not a way to solve for just one special use case to try something. I think the answer is very simple. What makes a SCADA system modern? A SCADA system's modern if it solves for your current problems, has a low total cost of ownership, and last but not least, becomes a vector for growth for your company. If all three of those things are present, then I would assert here that that makes a modern SCADA system. And I want to focus a little bit on that last one, the vector for growth. I think there's two types of growth that are at play in this case study that we're about to start. And the first is physical growth, and the second is business growth. If your SCADA system is primed to help to help assimilate physical growth, right? Either you're going to add new meters, you're going to lay new pipe, you're going to drill new wells, you're going to acquire somebody. That in all those types of situations, if your SCADA system can handle that physical growth, I would say it's a modern SCADA system because you've kind of designed it for the future of your business.